After storms, CCTV camera disconnections can stem from several causes. Firstly, electrical interference and grounding issues can play a role. Lightning strikes or power surges can induce high voltage currents in unshielded cables. It's crucial to ensure all equipment is properly grounded to a low resistance ground rod. Shielded cables are helpful to minimize electromagnetic interference or EMI. Secondly, water ingress can cause issues. Rainwater or moisture can seep into unprotected cables, leading to corrosion and short circuits. Sealing all cable entry points and using water-resistant conduits can help. Installing surge protectors and grounding blocks at both ends of the cable is also a good idea. Thirdly, physical damage to cables or connectors can cause problems. High winds can cause cables to sway and rub against sharp objects. Regularly inspect cables and connectors for damage, repairing or replacing them as needed. Using robust cable clamps or supports can protect cables from movement. Fourthly, inadequate cable protection can be a factor. Twisted pair cable is more vulnerable to interference and damage than coaxial or RG cable. Consider using shielded twisted pair cable or upgrading to RG cable for better protection. Using conduit or other protective measures help shield cables from the elements. Fifthly, interference from other sources might be the cause. Nearby power lines, transformers, or electronic devices can generate EMI. Move cables away from potential interference sources or use shielded cables to minimize the impact. RG cable, such as RG59 or RG6, is generally preferred for CCTV applications due to its superior shielding and protection against interference. Twisted pair cable can be used for short distances, less than 100 feet, in low-noise environment. For distances over 100 feet or in areas with potential EMI, RG cable is highly recommended. Always use surge protectors and grounding blocks to protect equipment from power surges. Install cameras and cables at least 5 feet above the ground to minimize exposure to moisture and physical hazards. Regularly inspect and maintain the entire CCTV system to ensure optimal performance.